Sir, actually this is my room. Could you please open the door? Just I forgot my key in the downstairs. Could you please open the door? Okay, thank you. Welcome. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Housekeeping?
Yes, sir.
Housekeeping?
Yes, sir.
Ready, housekeeping?
Yes, sir.
Come.
Sir.
Anybody came into my room?
No, sir.
I just kept my chain, bracelets, my costly laptop, ring, everything put here.
I don't know, sir.
I just went and come back, nothing was there.
Sorry, sir. I don't know, sir. Sorry.
You are working here, you saying that no, don't know. Tell me, where is it? Within 30 minutes only, huh? I just went and come back. Don't try to pull my angriness. Just tell me. I want to know where is it.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
I know that you are keeping in your pocket or you just hide it somewhere.
No, sir. I don't know. No, sir. I don't say, sir.
Don't lie. Don't lie. Don't pull out my angriness. I kick you definitely. Are you gonna give me or I'll call police right away? Then I have no choice. Reception? Could you connect? Police station? For what? I wanted to speak general manager immediately. I wanted to speak at least the duty manager right now. I lost my chain, I lost my everything. Somebody stole. Housekeeping person is here, he is saying that don't know. I suspect that this kind of person, I know that. I wanted to meet general manager immediately. I wanted to search everywhere with every stuff. Please understand my situation and inform your GM and send here immediately.